Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to save money on groceries with trim alerts. Groceries are a major expense, but trim can help you to cut costs without clipping coupons. Let me show you how it's done. First, open the trim app and go to your spending category. Then select groceries to view your monthly spending trends. Now set a custom budget for groceries. Trim will monitor your spending and alert you when you're nearing the limit of your budget. Next, enable spending alerts on the notification settings. Trim will send you real-time updates if you ever go over budget or if unusual grocery charges appear. Do you want bonus tips? Well, Trim sometimes offers money-saving suggestions like switching stores, buying in bulk, or checking for loyalty programs delivered right to your dashboard. It's simple, smart, and helps you keep your grocery bills in check every month. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.